Tips on how to approach Euclidean geometry questions, part 3. Okay, question 9. So, you are given this diagram. Okay, in the diagram, J, K, L, M is a cyclic quadrilateral and the circle has center O. Prove the theorem which states that the angle J plus the angle L is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, 5 marks. So, 9.1, we are going to construct line KO and MO. Okay, KO and MO. Okay, KO and MO. And we are going to name the angles around the center O. So you have this angle, we are going to call it O1, and this angle, we are going to call it O2. Okay, so name the angles around the center O. Okay, now the proof. Okay, so you have to see, let me show you. This angle, the angle J, is subtended by this arc, the arc KM, and the angle O1 is also subtended by the same arc KM. So we are going to combine the two angles because they are subtended by the same arc. Okay, so the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So write the reason. The reason is angle at the center is equal twice angle at the circumference. Now we are going to combine this angle and the angle O2 because the two angles are subtended by the same arc KM, this arc. Okay, the angle L is subtended by the arc KM, and the angle O2 is also subtended by the arc KM. So always combine the two angles which are subtended by the same arc. So the angle at the center O2 is twice the angle at the circumference L. Okay, this angle is subtended by that arc, and this angle O2 is also subtended by that arc. You can see in the case of O1, O1 is subtended by a different arc, and angle J is also subtended by the same arc as O1. This is why we combined O1 with J. Okay, O1 with J, O2, okay, O2 with L. So you have O2 and L. Okay, so the reason is angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Now we are going to focus at the center. So you have angle O1 plus angle O2. This is equal to 360. Okay, angle O1 plus angle O2. This is equal to 360 degrees. The reason is angles around a point. Okay, so O1 is equal to 2J plus O2. O2 is equal to 2L. This is equal to 360 degrees. You are going to factorize 2 outside of the bracket. So you have 2 outside of the bracket. Inside of the bracket, you have angle J plus angle L. You close your bracket. This is equal to 360 degrees. Now, you are going to divide by 2 throughout. So, you have angle J plus angle L. This is equal to divide by 2, 180 degrees. Okay, so we have proved. Okay, you can also use another method to prove this theorem. So you are going to say construct line KO and MO. Okay, KO and MO, and then name the angles around the center O. Now the proof, you are going to let angle J equal to X or angle L equal to X. So I'm going to choose angle J. Okay, so let angle J equal to X. Okay, so this is X. Now you are going to say angle O1 is equal to twice angle X. Okay, because angle J, which is X, and angle O1, they are subtended by the same arc. Okay, you can see angle X or angle J is subtended by this arc KM, and angle O1 is also subtended by the same arc KM. So we are going to combine O1 and X. So the angle at the center O1 is twice the angle at the circumference. Right? The reason angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Now angle O2. Angle O2 is equal to 360 degrees minus angle O1. O1 is equal to 2x. Okay, minus O1. This is O1. So the reason is angles around a point. Okay, the sum of angles around a point is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, so you have angle J is equal to X. What is angle L? Okay, what is angle L? So angle L is equal to, can you see, angle L is half angle O2. Okay, when you divide angle O2 by 2, you are going to have angle L. So this is angle O2. Angle L is equal to 180 degrees minus X. Okay, you divide angle O2 by 2 to have angle L, because angle L and angle O2 are subtended by the same arc. Let me show you. Angle L is subtended by this arc, and angle O2 is also subtended by the same arc KM. Okay, KM. So this angle O2 is twice the angle L. So when you have O2, to get angle L, you divide O2 by 2. Now you have L. So 360 by 2, you have 180 minus 2x by 2, you have x. The reason for this, you are going to say angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Now you can say angle J plus angle L is equal to 180 degrees when you take this plus X. Okay, so we have proved. Okay, please remember to check this lesson 8 of 25 to learn about this theorem. Okay, we are done.